hello, kids and adults. Okay, so this is me, and looks like I have here a problem.
Hi, kids and adults. It's me, Alex Sanda. I still have my crazy voice, but I do not have my hat. I'm very high. I could be even higher, but I told me rather no because we are eating lots of room sweets. I think I am drunk. Oh, but not really, but I'm always drunk. Anyway, this is the best place from where you can see fireworks, and it's for free. Very high, as I told you. Very, very, very high. Behind me it's the beauty of the Dublin. And yeah, I may be waiting for my dad because he will not be fireworks as usual, yes, so I will not show you any firework. Perhaps I cannot show you the firework with my head because sorry kids and adults or adults because it will not look good, so I need to take little bit of the fireworks without my head. I hope you will survive not looking at my head. I'm missing my hat. My head is very, very, very cold, but I am in a little bit of bigger space. I am just waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. I hope I'm not going to sleep. Just few more minutes, and if no, we are going down. Oh, this is a job. Everyone is drunk in the city. Everyone is drunk, everywhere is glass, everything is full. It's quite horrible. But when you are high, it's a bit better. High, like high, not high, like ooh. So, we have a new year. I hope you survive the transition. And I would love to show you some fireworks, but it was close to known fireworks in Dublin, as usually. And I'm still high, and I'm still drunk from the sweets. And I will see if I have any footage for you. Going on here, I have no bloody idea. By Grafton Street. So keep watching.